Hi, and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to download Age of Empires in different devices. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So for the first one, we are going to know the steps on how you can download it for Xbox app or for Windows. So on your Windows 10 or 11 device, just simply search on to the taskbar and simply type Xbox and select it from the list. And if the app isn't installed, you can get it for free from the Microsoft Store. So if you are a Game Pass member, just select the Game Pass tab and then choose a game from the catalog or type it in the search box, and in the games page just select install and then follow the prompts. And then next, what we have here is how you can download the game through Microsoft Store. So to download or update the game in Microsoft Store, just press your Windows key and search for Store or Microsoft Store to find and open the app. So just make sure that you are signed in with the account that owns Age of Empires 4. So click the three dots icon symbol next to your profile picture and select downloads and updates. So just press get the updates button or updates button to automatically detect, download and install the latest changes to your game, and let the store download Edge or Age of Empires 4. So once your download is complete, you will be able to search for your game in the Windows Start menu or listed under My Library in the Microsoft Store, and you can also create a shortcut to access and launch the game from anywhere on your computer. And then lastly, what we have here is for Steam. So to download or update the game in Steam client, just open first your Steam and then click onto the library to your games list and click downloads at the bottom of the library. So if the new build does not download automatically, just click the button to manually download the new update. So by default, Steam will automatically keep your game updated whenever a new build is released, and you click on library and then go to games to search for and launch your game when it is available. And if you've disabled auto updates, and you can click or you can also click library games and then go to the downloads to view your download queue and prioritize Age of Empires 4 above other games in your library. So that's it for this video. That's how you can download and update Age of Empires 4 in Steam, Microsoft Store, or Xbox app for Windows. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.